top sellers is really cool. So let's just say you want to go out there right now and you're like, hey, I've got a list of people I want to promote to. I've got a YouTube channel. I want to do a review on a product. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to take you through a platform called JVZoo. Now this is just a payment processor platform, to be honest with you. It's not really, so it's ClickBank and stuff, and these guys list products, but I'm going to show you a better way to actually find products on this site. So when you come in, you'll go to sign up an account for free. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. And the good thing about this site is you don't actually have to submit any tax forms, because I don't think they're hosted in the US maybe. I'm not 100% sure. But you don't have to do any tax forms if you don't want to. So that's one thing. The tax forms, I am going to do a video on that, and they're not like, it's not bad if you do them or not, but you know, most sites do require it, but it's good that this one doesn't, so you can get started straight away. So I'm just going to log in here, log into my account. Usually with JVZoo, guys, I make around about 50 to up to 500 bucks a day. It really depends on what I'm promoting. It depends on how much traffic my blog is getting. Like, I think, so yesterday it just ticked over. Yesterday I only made $5, and that's because yesterday I had a lot of problems with my site. It was down, onlinedimes.com. The website HTTPS wasn't working, so no one could get to my site for pretty much most of the day. So that's why yesterday I was quite low, but I averaged around about 50 to kind of, let's say an average day with no promotions would be about $50 to $200 average. So guys, once you're in here, this is going to be your dashboard where so this here is going to be the products you promoted, and on the left you can actually have your own products and get people to promote them for you, and the stats will come up here. This here is where people advertise products that you can advertise, do affiliate sales commissions, and actually also stats on this page are temporarily down. So yesterday's probably hasn't actually updated. I've probably done more than that, to be honest. Looks like it might have not have updated yet. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, with this one, guys, I don't bother with the product library. Okay, what I do is I do two things. You can go to launch list, and this is going to bring up a bunch of products that are launching soon, but I also don't really worry about that on JVZoo. I'll show you another place where to get it. But top sellers is really cool. So let's just say you want to go out there right now and you're like, hey, I've got a list of people I want to promote to. I've got a YouTube channel. I want to do a review on a product, whatever, right? So this is Deadbeat Affiliate. Actually, he does some stuff. He just launched his product, it looked like, which is pretty cool. Add to cart, $17. So anyway, we'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of this one here. But this is really good because you can do things like, so best sellers today, best sellers yesterday, best sellers in the last 7 days, best sellers in the last 30 days. Now, typically the products you're going to find on JVZoo, guys, are softwares, and really that's it, and a few courses. And you can do top revenue. So what courses, what's made the top revenue today, what's made the top revenue yesterday, stuff like that. So for example, let's just say, let's click on this one. This has probably made hundreds of thousands of dollars today. They're in a launch. And this is what is this? With 2 billion. This is a product, probably. Let's just, it's not actually a very good sales page. Yeah, so it looks like a product where you can create images, maybe. Something like that. So anyway, that's what you can do, but there's actually a better way, guys. I would recommend so you can promote stuff long term. Like for example, I used to promote a course from JVZoo, and I made around about $7,000 over a few months of just having it in my blog post. And I do have, let's go to how to make money on Facebook, and you will see one of my blog posts here. And if we go down, see, it's taken a while to load today. My site was, we're loading good today. Okay, so I had a lot of problems with my site today. Let's go down to where is it? So you see this link here, Ninja Blaster. Oh, they're not actually an affiliate anymore, I don't think. Okay, so anyway, this one here, Ninja Blaster, yes, they don't have an affiliate link anymore. So they used to have an affiliate link, and they were on JVZoo, and then when people clicked on this, I used to get a commission. And I get a lot of traffic to this. This is ranked in how to make money on Facebook. So I'm going to change it actually and put in another affiliate link, hopefully, and get some money. So anyway, so you can do long-term stuff. Like for example, this one here, I am getting like back into deep stuff again. You could click on this one and you could do a blog post on
what are the
how to create a software business. That's what this is about. This is exactly what this is about, how to create a software business. This is Sam Becker, actually. I know this guy. He's a very nice guy. Okay, so anyway, that's JVZoo in a nutshell. You can find top products and stuff like that. But what I recommend you do with JVZoo, guys, is go to a website called muncheye.com. What this does is it actually brings up all of the launches that are coming out on JVZoo and other affiliate networks like JV Cloud, ClickBank. There's one coming out on ClickBank soon. That's a $2,497 price tag where you get a 50% commission. Now the ones in yellow are the big launches where a lot of money is getting put into them, so there's going to be a lot of sales. And then these are the big launches, and these are the small launches. And there's hundreds and hundreds of products. And actually there's another one here. Let's have a look at, I've never ever seen this platform before, JV Share. Maybe I'll do a video on this one. So you can use this as well, and then maybe they'll have products. Anyway, maybe I'll do a video on that one. So what I would do, guys, is I would go down and find a product that's launching soon. So this is launching on the 7th of December. And you go to the JV page. And this is for if you already have an audience, like let's just say you already have a YouTube channel about creating money or something, then you can advertise this software. And this is the pricing here, and this is the contest. And you actually, so if you get the most sales on day 1, you get $1,000. Most sale on day 2, you get another $1,000. Most sale on day 3, you get another $1,000. And that's the only contest they have. Yeah, so if you're going to promote JV stuff, guys, I would recommend going to, where is it now? Going to the muncheye.com and look for products, because it's better because you can find products where there's a competition going on and you can win money. Okay, that's what's really cool about this. But if you just, and guys, to get the link, I'll just show you here, to get your affiliate link, just go get your affiliate link. And it's going to take you to, so this is a different site. Okay, that's a bad example. Let's go back to these guys. I don't know why he's not that. Let's go to Cindy Donovan, click on JV, and then we're going to go through and I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate link. It's really, really easy, guys. You just go down and go click here to get your affiliate link. It's going to take you to JVZoo, and what's going to happen is you're going to apply. Okay, this is I'm going to actually do a video on how to apply and how to get accepted in a separate video. Okay, but you just click I have read all the instructions and you go request approval. If you don't have any sales though, guys, it's going to be hard to get requested, so I will show you how to do that in another video. And you can also add bonuses, so I'll do a video on that as well, but you can actually add bonuses to get more sales and stuff like that. And then when people make a purchase, those bonuses will automatically get sent out as well, and I'll show you where to get those bonuses for really, really cheap that you can use. Okay, guys, so that's it. And if you want to, you can go to product library and look for products if you like there's stuff in all sorts of niches, but really kind of this platform is really mainly for software launches and course launches. So if we go down here, maybe like, I don't know what this is. See, a lot of them are dead. I don't use the marketplace a lot. I'm just going to tell you the truth. Like what I would do, okay, is go to, if you're going to use JVZoo as an affiliate, guys, this is all you need to do. Sign up, go to top sellers, find products that are going to sell soon, and you can either do launch jacking, which we will also talk about in this course, or you can just write blogs about these particular products if you like, or you can go product library, but I wouldn't really worry about it. What I would do then is go to JV launch and simply find products that are going to be coming out soon, and then simply getting the affiliate link like I showed you by going to the JV page. Okay, that's probably the easiest way to use JVZoo. I wouldn't worry too much about, like, a lot of this stuff probably won't even work. Oh, that one works. But yeah, it's not really a matter of going out and just promoting anything. You kind of got to craft things. Like when I did that how to make money on Facebook, I crafted everything really nicely so it all flowed, and I had a good product that flowed well with it. So yeah, but like I said, we're not going to get too in depth with this stuff here, but as you can see, there's kind of lots of products, I guess, but I haven't looked through the product library myself because I don't really use JVZoo for that particular thing. What I would do, guys, is use ClickBank if you're going to try to do more long-term promotions, because there's more long-term products on there. With the launches, usually they will launch it and then close for 2 weeks and come back at a bit of a higher price. So just because you're in a launch doesn't mean that the product's going to go away. It usually always comes back, and you can still keep promoting it, or you can still do a blog post about it and stuff like that. Okay, so that's pretty important to understand as well. But I'm going to, this is just a run through, guys. I'm going to do videos on how to use JVZoo properly to do launch jacking and things like that. Launch jacking is a very good affiliate method. Okay, so that's kind of how to use JVZoo. Sign up, top sellers. If you want to, let's say you want to go to a top seller right now. Let's say you want to promote online business blueprint. Go to affiliate details. Pretty simple, and then you can go and apply for the product. Okay, and now one other thing I want to mention, you see how it says a sale price $9. You get $9 on the first sale. There's lots of upsales involved in this, so you're not just going to make $9 commission. You actually get 100% off. So what they do, guys, is they give away their product for free, and then they make most of their money on the upsells and the back end, which is quite cool. So you get $9 on the front end, then anything else after that you make a commission as well, but they don't have that in here. Okay, but their JV page will tell you all of that stuff. It might tell you down here, maybe not, but we're not going to read through all of that. All right, guys, so that's JVZoo in a nutshell. Just have a play around, but mainly it is for product launches. And that's really it, and we will do more about that in this training.